Good morning. Me and little buddy got up bright and early. We're about to do a stealth install. This is the subject of our repair. It is a very broken set of Muskoka chairs. They've been graffitied. I think they've been set on fire at some point, and they have no seats. So we're going to stealthily fix these. Nobody will be the wiser. I'm going to actually replace all the boards and just make them one long continuous one. I'm just going to use wood. This is like a plastic material, but I'm going to use wood and we're going to paint it yellow. Okay, we found some pine boards that should be suitable. We're going to get 4 of these. They're only $7 each. I tripped to Home Depot. I got the material that we needed. This is just finished pine, pretty much the size, the thickness that we need. And now all I need to do is cut it down to length. Probably wondering what stealth install means. Well, we're gonna go find something to fix, and we have to repair it on the down low, because if the city finds out that we did that, they'll rip it out. They won't fix it, but they'll throw out something we fix. We have arrived. Shouldn't be too long. We've prepared everything. It's a beautiful morning. Check it out. Okay, that's all this old screws out. Now I'm going to shift this one piece over here. I can see one of the problems. The manufacturer only used very short, these look like 2-inch long screws, which is probably why the seat support's ripped out. The perfect crime. Okay, we have completed our stealth install project. Our subject is done. It's nice and solid. Might have to come back for a second coat, but this bench just got installed.